Picture style operation. Picture styles let you change the look of your pictures. There are 6 predefined picture styles that change the color, contrast, and appearance of your images or video. It's important to note that the picture style settings are permanently applied to video and JPEG files. However, if you shoot RAW images, you can adjust or completely change picture style settings in Canon's Digital Photo Professional software. Or you can use the EOS 60D's new in-camera RAW processor to create a new JPEG file from a RAW original with different picture style settings applied. All Canon EOS cameras have 6 predefined picture style settings that alter color, saturation, contrast, and sharpness. Standard is a general purpose style and is the EOS 60D's default setting. It looks vivid, sharp, and crisp. Portrait produces warmer skin tones along with crisp sharpening and contrast. This style is automatically selected when the basic portrait mode is active. Landscape boosts sharpening and color saturation, especially with green and blue subjects. This style is automatically selected when the basic landscape mode is selected. Neutral style produces more natural colors and lower contrast images. It's an ideal setting for video footage and also for still images if you expect to work on them later in the computer. Faithful matches the subject's color when shot under daylight conditions. These images often appear dull and subdued. This setting is often used when you intend to post-process the images in your computer. Monochrome creates a black and white or toned image. To choose a picture style, select Shooting Menu 2 and scroll to Picture Style. Use the quick control dial to select the style you want and press Set. These picture style settings will now be applied to your images. Picture style can be further modified and adjusted, or you can create your own. To change a picture style setting, select the Picture Styles menu and highlight the picture style you want to modify. Press the Info button. In the sub-menu that appears, you can adjust sharpness, contrast, saturation, and color tone. Use the quick control dial to select one or more of the parameters. Highlight the parameter you want to adjust and press Set. Use the quick control dial to adjust the parameter up or down and press Set to confirm the new setting. Return to the main picture style menu and press Set to activate this choice. Customizing the monochrome picture style has a different twist. Select the monochrome picture style and press Info, and you can adjust sharpness, contrast, filter effect, and toning effect. The filter effect lets you simulate the effect of shooting through a yellow, orange, red, or green filter with traditional black and white film. It doesn't add color to your black and white image, but it changes the tones and contrast. The toning effects applies a sepia, purple, blue, or green color cast to the image. Create your own picture styles by making adjustments and registering them in one of 3 user-defined picture styles. Scroll down to one of the 3 user-defined styles and press Info. Picture style will be highlighted. Press Set and use the quick control dial to select one of the 6 picture styles that you want these settings to be based on. Press Set. Next, use the quick control dial to highlight and modify the 4 parameters. Press Set and make any adjustments, then press Set again. When you're finished, press the Menu button. You've now got a user-defined picture style you can call up anytime you like. Canon frequently adds new picture styles. They're available on Canon's website. Upload them into your camera with a USB cable and the Canon-supplied EOS utility software. Picture styles let you apply your own look to your images without having to spend lots of time processing them on your computer with expensive image processing software. It saves time and increases your creative potential.